Is this the coolest thing you've ever seen? Maybe, maybe not, probably not. But it is the coolest coat rack you've ever seen. You have key hangers to put your keys, a platform to put your wallet, and then coat racks to put your coat. The coolest part is it spins. And when you spin it, the inside mechanism rotates, and it rotates counter to whatever direction you're spinning because it has a planetary gear set. My name's Colin. I'm a creative designer and engineer with a focus in mechatronics. I've been building things for quite a few years now, and I'm ready to start sharing with the world. When I started this project, I didn't really have any real idea what it was going to be. I had just kind of a feeling that something would spin, and I thought originally that like an end table would be cool because I had just built this table, which was my first table, just because I needed it, and I kind of liked it. So I was just like, oh, well, can I make a really cool table? And then I started building the mechanisms for it, and then I redid everything. Like my desk is littered with. Should I do these long tangents or should I do these little cut pieces? How loud should I speak? Should I yell? Should I really be like, I'm actually afraid. I'm afraid to bring it up higher than like here. I haven't raised my voice in a long time. Come on. Say something loud. Say something loud. No, split stains. The day is ruined. One of my favorite parts about this entire project is how affordable it is. There's about $60 worth of aluminum, $30 worth of plastic, and then about $10 worth of fasteners and one of these square turntables. For this entire project, I used three main tools. I used my drill press to drill holes into the corners of the acrylic. I used my saw to cut aluminum 2020 extrusion, and I used my 3D printer to make most of the joining pieces. Everything else was just little hand tools like screwdrivers and hex wrenches. I've always loved beautiful things, but not only beautiful things, but curious things. I like things that draw my attention towards them and make my entire mental state better simply for existing. And like sometimes you can make one of these things and like art for the sake of art, 100%. But in my case, I also like it when things are useful. I want my sculpture to have utility, and that's something which I wanted to incorporate in the design. That's why you have key hangers, coat hangers, and a nice platform to put whatever it is that you put on shelves.